As a 3D artist who uses Adobe Premiere Pro in their 3D pipeline, you've probably come across the Use Maximum Render Quality setting. And just like me, you enable it without a second thought. But have you ever wondered what it does and whether enabling it is really necessary? Well, let's find out. According to the Adobe tooltip text, the setting gives better quality scaling but increases the encoding time. This is not entirely true because the setting affects all transforms including scale, position, rotation, and all other effects that utilize such transforms like warping. If none of them have been used in your timeline, then its algorithms won't be triggered. But how about encoding time? The setting gives us a sharper image after scaling because it uses a higher quality Lanczos interpolation method. This usually results in an increase in export time whenever it's active, but it only happens while in software mode. But with GPU acceleration enabled, the setting normally has no impact on our export times because a superior scaling algorithm is used on the GPU. So how do you know whether you are in software or GPU mode? Simple. Go to File, Project Settings, General, and under the General tab, you can choose between GPU acceleration and software only. By default, Premiere Pro will have selected your computer's GPU as the renderer. When you have GPU acceleration enabled, the maximum render quality setting does not matter at all. But if your timeline has non-accelerated effects that force you into software rendering, then it becomes necessary. It is therefore possible for it to kick in even when GPU acceleration is turned on. It is recommended that you always have maximum render quality setting enabled, even though most of the time it will do nothing. But when it does, it will ensure the best possible quality.